So today I'm going to be reviewing Typli AI, which is a brand new AI copywriter tool with some awesome features and completely free for 7 days. To review this product, I'm going to consider 5 points. Its ease of use, its templates, its features, its quality, and its pricing. One thing that I like about Typli AI is its clean dashboard, is its aesthetic look. Once you come in, not many templates are appearing in your face. On the left we have the projects, the training. If you click the training tab, you will see that Typli AI offers you many different training overviews, which is amazing. Not every AI copywriter tool has it, and I think that is really important because sometimes you really don't know what to do and you gotta go search, Google, YouTube, and Typli is able to offer it to you right away. So let's start a new project. We'll click on new. Now some simple features. Below you will see that they have a copyscape, a spin text, export as doc, and export as PDF. Copyscape here, it means that this key is a plagiarism checker. So that is honestly a really nice feature because it is really important for whatever work that you use it for, and there ain't so many AI copywriter tools with this feature. Next you have spin text. What this basically means is that it allows you to take another blog's article and create a unique new article from it, which is really handy, and then you can go over to Copyscape to do a plagiarism check. Now, before we dive in, I just want to say that I've heard some reviews, I've did my research, and of what I found, the more technical you want your article to be, most flaws it will have. So let's say, for example, you have an article about dogs and cats, and then you have an article about rocket science. For dogs and pets, Typli is amazing. For rocket science, it also could be good, but you have to check and really check its numbers, its sentences, everything, because it is really detailed. So let's actually check. I'm going to start with the dog topic. Once you have your title, you will click on generate AI content. But first, you will decide how many words do you want your article to have. So you will click the number of words. I will select 300, and then you'll just click on generate AI content. So now let's check. Why should I have a golden retriever? I'm wanting to get one for a couple reasons. Let me try and socialize my kid dogs. So after reading the text, I consider this article very accurate. It shows you every side of the story and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So now that we know that it is good, let's select the whole thing, spin the text, and then we will do a plagiarism check. So we have encountered a little mistake. Let's go over to another website to check for plagiarism. This website is called Quitext. It's very accurate. So let's see. So the article provided by Typli AI has actually no plagiarism, which is great news. Now some other features about Typli AI. You can go forward, go back, save, generate AI content, select the number of words that you would like your article to have, and the SEO key actually shows you your score. So it will grab your whole article and then it will make a report about how good it is, what can you improve. So this is a really nice feature. You can add an H1 heading, highlight your keywords, add an image, keyword phrase in the first sentence, add an intro link. It gives you idea to upgrade your article. In the keyword analytics, you can type in your keyword, and in your keyword suggestion, you can actually, when you type your keyword, let's just say golden retriever. So I was actually not expecting this. This is a really nice feature. When you type in your keyword, you will select your country in which you want your search to be focused on. I will select United States, and Typli actually shows you the volume of search with related keywords and its competition. So as in features, Typli is awesome. Now we're going to dive in the topic that it is a little bit more confusing and complicated, a little bit more technical, to see how Typli goes. I will write, for example, how good was the moon landing for humanity? We'll select in the word, and now after you have selected, because this only works if you select your title, you will click on generate AI content. Now I'm going to evaluate the article. After reading it, not bad at all. So now we will present Typli AI the ultimate quality check. Why is eBay on NASDAQ? Let's see how Typli AI goes. Before I evaluate this article, I just want to make really clear that whenever Typli presents dates, percentages, numbers, you will check, double check, and triple check. Because sometimes there are errors, sometimes they're not, but you have to check because they do happen. So the article is pretty accurate, but if even one number is wrong, then the article in quality loses its effect. And there has been some reports in the Typli articles that are not completely accurate, and In terms of quality, that's not very presentable, but we have searched for 3 topics, an easy one, a medium one, and a hard one, and Typli seems pretty good. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Well, the pros is that this is a brand new product. They are relatively new to the market. They have some nice features, I'll give you that. The SEO grader, the plagiarism checker, although the plagiarism checker isn't really as good as it sounds. Other pros is that it is a really simple digital product and a very aesthetic interface. Now, as in for the problems, sometimes there are duplication of text and sometimes there are some sentences that have no sense or any relation to the topic at all. Although we haven't encountered it, they do exist and you just need to be careful about that. So in conclusion, although it has a great potential due to its cool features and by being new to the market, it's missing just a bit of some quality here, as in the more technical you generate content, the worse it gets, but only in a bit. And knowing that it is a new product, just give it time because it is already better than some AI copywriters, and for its price, in time, I think it will be worth it. But I definitely advise you to do your research before you even consider to buy Typli AI, because the market for AI copywriter tools is so vast, and if you really don't know what to go with or what to choose, if you just follow my YouTube playlist on AI copywriter reviews, I have a review on almost every single copywriter tool, and I really think that will help you to choose what really is best for you. But if you do choose to buy Typli AI, I advise you to go to my link in the description where you find the product itself just for you, and in case you buy it through that link, you are helping me keeping my channel going.